Square root distance is 14, huh? Average is 14, yeah. And 500, then your answer 0.17, I think it is correct. Yeah, 0.17. Okay, let's find other question below. Explain whether the readings are anomalous. Do we see any abnormal anomalous value in the table? The average.
The hand could have a child 2 of the left hand.
25.5 is very big compared to the average 14, huh?
Yeah.
That thing is like an abnormalous, an outlier that causes the deflection, the variation from of the average value. Yeah, so it is very likely that the second trial here is an anomalous. And for the right hand, the values are close to the average 18, so the right hand is unlikely to have anomalous, huh? So that is our answer. Whether any the reading, yeah, so the reading of the left hand is likely to have 1 or even 2 anomalous value.
Do I write trial 2 of the left hand?
Yeah. Explain, not just state and determine, but we need to explain. This is the answer. It is much further away from the mean than other results. The average of the left hand. Just write the average, because the left hand is not a subject. It's the length, the left hand. Wait, what's the meaning of the left hand in here? Ruler, the bottom of the ruler is between the finger and the thumb. When it's in A, release the ruler. Somebody catches his ruler, quickly can investigate, replay with the right hand. Catches by the left hand.
I think left hand is the hand under, like the hand's catching the ruler.
Exactly. Yeah, so the longer the distance here, for example 18 or 25.5, it means that the longer the reaction time of that person, huh? Meaning that the reaction time for the left hand is not, what is the word, precise as the right hand, or he was distracted, huh? The person, when using the left hand to catch the ruler, he was distracted by something else, like a noise of a car outside, okay, and therefore the time that he react and catch the ruler is longer, resulting in 25.5 centimeter length of the ruler. Okay. Far from average. Okay. Question C. Give 2 ways that the student can improve the quality of the data other than ignoring anomalous result. 2 ways.
Redo the experiment. Repeat it.
Exactly. That one way. Is there another way? Except from removing the anomalous.
Make sure that like the person is sober.
The experiment can be repeated with a different person, the third person or the fourth person, not only those 2 people, huh? What is the purpose of the experiment? Measure the reaction time of the person A. It's just so strange that the Musky mentioned the third person, because we want to measure the reaction time of the first person, not another person, huh?
Yeah.
But in an experiment, for example, you want to measure the speed of an object, or acceleration of an object, a car. You can do the experiment many times by different people, and different people using the same method, they get the result which are very similar to each other, very close to each other. It means that the method of experiment and the procedure that those people doing the experiment is precise, is good enough. Okay.
I think it's measure the specific height that the person A will hold the ruler.
No, it's not the answer, because he will drop it from the bottom, no, from the top, holding it from the top like here, and the student B put the hand at the bottom, and when the person A release, the person B immediately catch it, and the distance is measured from the bottom to the point where the finger of the second person, student B here, hold the ruler. So yeah, the answer in the math scheme is repeat the experiment by the third person. Possibly we replace the student A who holds the ruler, not to make distraction, like in the first experiment, the person who holds the ruler is a girl who is so beautiful, and so that the student B, who is a boy, was distracted by the girl. Okay, redo the experiment with the third person is the answer. Describe how the student could develop their investigation to investigate how direction time changes with another variable. How direction time with another variable. What is the idea? What is the other variable that can significantly affect the reaction time? Temperature, for example, temperature of the environment. The weather is hot or the weather is cold. We are in the normal room temperature, or when we turn on the air conditioning to make it very cold. I think that's the idea.
Could it be like if the person is sober, or like if they have caffeine and
you're right. Yeah, that's one good idea. Or they didn't sleep last night, something like that. Develop the investigation. Yeah, so you can measure direction time with different people of the same age group, like 14 years old, 15 years old, but the age of those people are not significantly different, and they're the same gender also, male and male. But the variable which is different is that they took the coffee earlier or something. Using a larger group of students, larger population students, and measure how their reaction time vary with here some idea about age and height. Age is a factor which significantly affect the reaction time. Yeah, so the idea is that we measure the reaction time of different people, at least 10 people with different age, from teenager 14, 16 to middle-aged people 30, 35, and to some old people 50, 60. Okay. So that we can see if there's some trend, some pattern. For example, if the reaction time increases with the age.
What do I do to get the second mark?
Second what?
Second mark, like it's out of 2 marks.
Just measure the reaction time of many people, a group up involving many people with different ages. Using the log group, the second idea is the group, not the number of the data. The number of people in the group must be large enough, There's some advanced method here in mathematics statistics to estimate how many people we need, Okay, but that is the advanced math that we study later in high school or university. The answer is 30 people at least. Okay, 100 people in the middle, and 1,000 people to be very accurate. So at least 30 people. The large group with different age measure reaction time of the people to see if there's some relationship and pattern in between those two variables, reaction time and age. We can writing that idea with answer. So I will send you the screenshot of the PDF file of the thing we've done today, and the file of this paper, and please try to complete the paper with the question involved in the list of the topic that we need to review for the test, and skip those which are not in the list. Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you later next week. No, sorry. Next week is third holiday.
Oh, okay.
You return to Vietnam for this holiday.
No, I will come back to Vietnam in summer though, because
Mm-hmm.
like in UK we don't have the holiday.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah, but there are
oh,
a lot of Vietnamese people living in UK, so possibly they have some activity together.
yeah.
So have a good weekend.
Right,
Bye
thank
bye.
you. You too.
Yeah.